What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. On today's episode, I will be installing some Christmas presents that I got, and as well as using my new phone gimbal. So hopefully the quality of the videos go a lot better by no more shakiness from my hand. So I'm gonna get you guys on the gimbal and let's see how the, quality is. All right, guys, I got you guys on the gimbal. I'm not the best using it, fair warning. So if the camera's kind of looking that way or that way, I'm trying. Haven't got much chance to play with it, but if you guys are wondering what gimbal that I got, I will show you guys the box right there, as well as show you guys the new car parts. So let me get that. Also wanted to say Merry late Christmas. This vlog probably won't go live until after New Year's, so Happy New Year's, guys. Welcome to 2022, and I hope you guys all have an amazing year. Camaro content for this year is going to be crazy. Got big plans for the 1LE, so you guys definitely do not want to miss it. So let me get the presents. Let me show you guys, do a little unboxing, you know how we do it, and then we'll get in the Camaro and start installing. All right, guys, so the gimbal that I did get is the Smooth 4 by this company that I cannot pronounce. Comes in a pretty cool little kit. Has a little go box with the charging cable, and that's about it. Onto the good stuff. You already know, carbon add-ons. Shout out to my girlfriend getting me this. My sister got me that. So thank you, both of them, for supporting my YouTube channel. It honestly means a lot. Let's get this open. So first thing first, the air freshener. Let me tell you guys, this thing smells so good. Next, we got a little overlay for the cup holder area. And then my favorite. Let's get this open. Come on. All right, let's see if I can get the flashlight on. Okay, maybe I can't, I don't know. But here it is, carbon fiber little cap, I guess you can call it, that goes on the center air vent. So I have the one that goes on the sides, and now my girlfriend got me the one that goes on the center, as well as this. So I'll meet you guys in the car and let's get that all set up. All right, guys, we are now in the Camaro. So previously what I was trying to show you guys before was, so we got this red carbon fiber right here, along as all the carbon fiber right here, and the red right there. We got this little red chrome delete right there, and the red start stop button. So now we will be getting in that center part. All right, guys, I'm back with my cleaning surprise, as always, using Auto MV. I do have Interior Plus, however, too lazy to go get it, so Prime's gonna work just fine. It needs to be cleaned. Alcantara, definitely wear and tear. So let's get the piece. Let's see what side this will be going on. Does not matter which way you put it. That's good. So let's do this side first. The hardest part, getting this stuff off. All right, got this piece down. All right, easy, just like that. Make sure it really sticks on. This is honestly a perfect fit. Shout out to my girlfriend for these for Christmas. They fit so good, really tie up the interior as well. So, good interior. And now time for this one. All right, now let's get it on. Right, that is done. Let me get all this trash picked up. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you guys. So, here it is, guys. And if you guys don't know, this is how it change my temperature, so that part still works as well. Come over to this side. So that is now how the interior will be looking. Carbon fiber everywhere. I know Carbon Add-ons is supposed to be doing a giveaway, or they might have been doing a giveaway for a steering wheel. That would be super dope if we could win a steering wheel. But now let's get the other area prepped right here. Well, this gimbal's a lot harder to use than I thought, but let's get this area prepped right here and let's get that other piece on. All right, now let's get this area prepped. So the rag is still wet and clean. Right, so this piece is going to go in like this and be like this. Carbon. So now we got to peel off this part. Well, great, broke. Okay, so for this part, I think the biggest part's gonna be, let's see, well, let's have this all lined up. Kinda wish I had more light now, but once that's lined up, I really hope this stays on. All right, guys, there you guys have it. So I was having a little bit of an issue right here, so I had to just hold it down for a little bit longer. But now everything is on there. So if you lift this, there you can see it. It is nice lined up right there. Everything stays down, so super nice. And then if we go over here, come on gimbal, we got these red carbon fiber parts. All together, it's really tying in the interior. So if we look now, so got that carbon fiber going on, and we got all this carbon. So super what's this doing? But super thankful to my girlfriend and my sister getting me great gifts this year for Christmas. I look forward to seeing all this carbon every day and using this gimbal. All right, guys, so now you guys can see the interior is coming together. Got the red little lighting right there, red lighting down in the footwell, carbon right there. I don't know if you guys have seen this up close. It is a carbon little print. Got the carbon down there. Now we got carbon right here as well. Got the lights down there. More carbon. And now more carbon. So that is it for the interior. All right, guys, got you guys all set up. Now let's get to it. So sorry it's at night, sorry about the lighting as well. Did just come home from work, so this install is really easy. Flathead screwdriver. Sorry about the car is really dirty. Just got back from LA. But yeah, so put in a flathead screwdriver right here. Well, let me show you guys the before. So if you guys see, it's the yellow light. We are gonna get a white light so it matches the reverse lights, but let's get to it. So just gotta get into here, put a flathead in, a little clip, and then should just kind of come down just like that. Kind of feels like you're gonna break it, but yeah. Then like any bulb, you twist it and it pops out. And let's open up these. Real huge shout out to Auto One though. They are providing me these lights. Definitely go check them out, guys. Let them know I sent you guys. I'm sure they will definitely hook it up. So here's what the new bulb looks like. Nice cool little LED. So this one, simply
take it out just like that, and you put in this one. So let's see what this looks like now. Oh, damn, that's bright. Holy shit. Damn, that's really bright. So let me get out the old other one so that we could actually compare how bright they are. So as you guys can see, install is really easy. Pops out fairly easily. So that's the old one, that's the new one. Can you guys see? Yeah, so you guys can see clear difference. So go ahead, pop this bad boy out. So that's that one. Oh, here come the dogs. Please guys, do not mess anything up. That is that. Oh, hey. And then just reverse operations, exactly how you put. Hey, Simba, no. Simba, no. Give me that. Okay. Then just kind of reverse exactly what you do. Hey, give me. No, stop. Leave it up to your dogs to ruin YouTube install. So then this one. There we go. And boom. All done. Now we got white lights. So let's zoom that out. Come on, gimbal. Don't make it so hard on me. There we go. Oh, what the hell is going on? So there we have it. Jeez, is it really? Do this gimbal? I think I should take a class, but there you guys have it. White light on the bottom, white light up top. Let me get that for you guys again. What you guys think of the new look? Let me know down in the comments below, and definitely check out Auto One for lights. Definitely appreciate them sending out their product. Honestly, 5 out of 5, easy install. It looks really good. I'll keep you guys updated on the lights as well. But if you guys like today's video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Help grow the channel just so that I could get more content out there and more content for you guys. That is all for tonight. Hope you guys all have an amazing day, amazing night. Keep killing life. Happy New Year's. Happy 2022, guys. I'll get you guys all in the next upload. Peace. Alright, what is going on, guys? Finally, the next car mod is here. My little troublemakers really making... Relax, man. It's for YouTube. It's for YouTube. Relax. So the next car mod... Oh my god. It's now a dog vlog. It's a dog vlog.